All right, well, you can kind of see me. So I just tried to do a live stream, and I'm going to have to do a little digging on that. Didn't work great. Every time I tried to check the comments, it would drop me. It would say it disconnected. So anyway, I started making this walnut dish here, and might as well finish it up. Won't be live, but I'll try to get it up soon. So here we go. I had better luck on cedar because cedar is so nice and soft. But I'll try to get this to go. I don't know if you can see it now, but right here is the tailstock. I think I need to try to move that further back. Myself a little extra room here. Couple of catches there that now knocked it loose on the faceplate here. So now everything's off center. Let's see if I can get the faceplate tightened back up. Let's see if I can save it. There, faceplate is tight again. Now I suppose it's not true anymore. Nope. So I'm going to have to re-round it out. And I suppose I should do that first. Can't do that too many times. I'm going to run out of material here. I don't know why my bowl gouge isn't grabbing. Looked great last time I was out here. I guess walnut's just a different wood. Oop, butterfingers. I don't know if you heard that crash, but that's the cat running around. Probably going to knock something over on my head. That wouldn't be great, but... All right, now let's try that middle again. Man, you know, when I see videos of doing things like this, they make it look so easy. The wood just falls out. But God, this just doesn't want to move. So I don't know if I'm using the wrong tool. My tools just aren't sharp enough. I just sharpened them. I don't know. Well, I'll just try another tool. All right, so this is fairly slow. Maybe I need to try it faster. So we'll crank up the speed and see if that helps. We'll see. God, I keep taking these big old chunks out of it. God, I don't want to ruin this wood by me being dumb. Well, maybe it's time to pause on this project and do a little research and see what I can find out. So, if you know what I'm doing wrong, please tell me. I've had lots of issues with this. When I doing the outside, I'm fine. This goes great. I'm very happy with how stuff turns out here. But when I try to cut out the bowl end, I have this issue. The wood just doesn't want to move. So am I doing something wrong? Am I using the wrong tools? Are my tools just too dull? I don't know. But if you know, help. All right. Well, thanks and cheers.